Come on guys, let's do this problem right here. The question is asking the figure shows two connected wires that are made of the same material. The current entering the wire on the left is 2 ampere and in that wire the electron drift speed is Vd. So here in this location it's Vd. And what is the electron drift speed in the wire on the left side? So here we have to find what is the Vd, right? So let's see how we can find this one. So first of all we have to know the equation for drift velocity, that is v is equal to I over NAQ, right? So this is the equation for drift velocity. V is drift velocity, I is current, N is number of atoms per volume, and this is area, and Q is charge. So let's see how we can find the new drift velocity at this location. So if you notice, the only difference is the diameter is changing, right? Here the diameter is 1 millimeter, here is 2 millimeter, it doubled. So let's see what we are going to have if we double the diameter. So first of all, I would like to write the area in terms of phi d square, so that will make everything clear. We know that cross-sectional area is going to be surface area, so that's going to be phi, and we know d by 2 is going to be radius, so d by 2 square is going to be d square by 4, so phi d square by 4, that's going to be the area. If I plug it into this equation, this is going to be I over n phi d square by 4q. So that's going to be the equation when we don't change anything. We can bring the 4 to the top, so this is going to be 4I over n phi d square q, right? So this is going to be the equation when we don't, like in this location, right? So let's see what happens if we double this diameter. So here we had d by 2, that's radius. So if we double the diameter, this is going to be 2 times d by 2. So here 2 cancels and whole square, right? So that's going to give us just d square. So the new equation, let's say this is a Vd2, this is Vd1. So in this location, Vd2 is going to be, this 4 is not going to appear because previously we had, so let's write this one, I over n Vd is going to be phi d square, because as we see it's just going to be phi d square, so phi d square q. This is going to be the new equation. And let's make a connection between Vd1 and Vd2, and if you notice this whole thing right here, that matches this one, right? So we can replace this this whole value with Vd2. So Vd1 is equal to 4 Vd2, right? So now we are trying to find the Vd2. This is Vd1. We are trying to find Vd2, right? Vd2 is going to be equal to Vd1 over 4. So that's going to be the answer. So let's see which one matches the answer. So previously they said drift velocity is Vd at this location. If it's Vd, this is Vd. So Vd by 4 is going to be the answer. That's what we found out right here, right? So in this location, it's equal to Vd by 4. And that's how we do these kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.